In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Edward's quotes from Fullmetal Alchemist. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
これから私は何にすがって生きていけばいいのよ。教えてよ。
そんなこと自分で考えろ。立って歩け。前へ進め。あんたには立派な足がついてるじゃないか。何にもすがる必要なんてない。
So today's quote is 立って歩け、前へ進め、あんたには立派な足がついてるじゃないか。立って歩け means stand up and walk. て means and, which links two actions. For example, 歯を磨いて寝る。図書館に行って勉強する。前へ進め means keep moving forward. 前 means forward, and え is the particle which is used to indicate destination or direction. 進め itself means move forward, but by adding 前, you can emphasize forward, which implies don't look back, keep moving forward. These 歩け and 進め are imperative form, which is used to give an order or command. This form is rarely used by females as it sounds really blunt. Even when males use it, they add よ to make it less blunt. For example, ちょっと待てよ。お前帰れよ。あんたには立派な足がついてるじゃないか means you have two good legs, don't you? あんた is a casual version of あなた meaning you. 立派な足 means two good legs. A に B がついてる means to have B on A. For example, 服に値札がついてるよ。顔になんかついてるよ。And this contrastive particle は is used to emphasize that she has two good legs, in contrast to Ed, who lost his left leg in an attempt to bring back his mother using human transmutation. Finally, janai. I think many of you learned janai as a negative form used with a noun or not adjective, such as 元気じゃない。この傘は私のじゃない。But it can be used in affirmative sentences or tag questions to persuade someone or show emotions, such as surprise, joy, anger, and so on, depending on the context. And in this usage, you can use it with an e-adjective or verb as well. Also, finishing the sentence with janai is usually for female speech, and janaika is for male speech. Nowadays, both male and female, especially young people, use jan instead. For example, 結構綺麗じゃない。まだ若いじゃないか。やるじゃん。So Ed is metaphorically telling her to walk with her two good legs, but he's actually persuading her to live without depending on anything. So 立って歩け、前へ進め、あんたには立派な足がついてるじゃないか means stand up and walk, keep moving forward, you have two good legs, don't you? That's all for today. Thanks for watching.